Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the timer sprite system, and this is to achieve things like flashing and killing sprites after a certain amount of time. So I'm going to take this video where I've got my little tart screen and my dog. I've turned the background off on this at the minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash the text at the top. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we need to go to the sprite that you want to flash. So I've picked the title top text sprite. And just in the constructor bit, remember this is the constructor, the bit that has the same name as the class. This is the bit that starts when you say new title top text. So I'm just going to turn the timer system on, so timer initialize, and then that allows me to use timer and then pick one of these methods. There's various things that we can do. So we can do continuous flashing, we can flash after a certain amount of time. So I'll show you that one. So it's a flash after, and then just follow the parameters. It'll come up. So it's the first one is start after this. So how many seconds before we start flashing? So let's just do it as 5 seconds, and then we need to pick how long it stays on screen for. So I'm going to put 0.4 seconds. We need to put the F because it's a floating point number, and then we're going to pick how long to be off screen. Now I'm going to make that less than what it's on because it looks a little bit better, the effect. And really that is all you've got to do for timers. I'll show you another one in a sec. So let's just run that and see what happens. So it should be solid for 5 seconds and then it'll start flashing with the flash settings that I've picked. And there you go. Nice and simple. So there are various different ones you can do. So if we get rid of that, always delete the dot, and then if you press the dot you'll get the picker come up again. So we can, there's like a start after, stop after. Let's have a look at that one. So it starts after a certain amount of time, so let's do 5 seconds, and then we'll stop after another 5 seconds. I'll use the same settings as before, so 0.5, 0.2 F. So that'll be solid for 5 seconds, flash for 5 seconds, and stop flashing. So if we run that, and it's just up for you to play with those. So solid, that's about 5 seconds, so it should start flashing now. And then after another 5 seconds, it'll stop flashing. There you go. The other things you can do is you can kill sprites. So we can say kill after, things like that. So you can say kill after, and with that one, it's just a time. So if we say after 5 seconds, kill it, what that'll do is it'll remove it. So it will no longer be displayed. There you go, it's removed. And that's the sort of thing that you'll do with a bullet that you only want to live for so long, so it doesn't keep going forever, or for like a pickup that if you want it to be on screen for 10 seconds. So you can do for things like pickups, there's a specific one for that. Show after, kill after. Or was it flash after? I can never remember. Flash after, kill after. Okay, so if we use that long-winded name, so we can start something flashing after so long, and then we can kill it. So let's do, I'm going to flash it quite quick. So this is specifically built so you can do, like, you drop an object on the screen, after so many seconds it starts flashing to say it's about to be removed, and then it gets removed. So obviously you wouldn't do this with your title sprite, but so after 5 seconds it'll start flashing really fast, and then it'll disappear because it's been killed. Okay, and that's the timer system. There's loads of other things, so when I show you how to do mouse over effects and things like that, they'll use the timer system as well. Okay, but that's it for this video.